So they are collecting. So they are collecting data from various states, text data, and they are giving number of boons, which states are lagging their sentiment. Then they are winning the elections based on their big data analytics. I mean, there are various data scientists sitting together and collected different states of information, and they processed it. They predicted which states are having a good majority opinion about Narendra Modi sir, and which states are lagging. So based on that analysis, they are increasing their boons, and they are giving free of all the amenities for the public. They are increasing their sentiment. So this is that type of application. So likewise, I love this product. This is great, not bad. So sentiment analysis. So I don't know. Your sir has given the topic. Who are the group one students? Can you explain? Can anyone explain briefly about your project? Then I can demonstrate what I understood about by seeing the topic. I have taken my own input data. Then I have chosen my own algorithm. Then I will explain. Please, group one students, can you
Sir,
explain 5 minutes? Yeah, yeah. Please
sir,
explain what is your what is your
projects.
aim of the project? Can anyone
Yes, sir.
explain? Yeah,
So
please.
first Nutan will be explaining his group project, and later on I'll explain our group projects.
Yeah, yeah, sure, sure, sure. Please.
Okay. Sir,
Please
this
introduce yourself and explain the objective of your project, and what is the input of the project, and what is algorithm you are choosing, what is output you are predicting. Please explain. Group 1 students. Hello.
Good morning, sir.
Yeah, good
Am I
morning.
visible? So basically, our team is of 4 members. We are working on overloaded trucks and trucks at. So the meeting is about to close. Can we just share another link? It's just 6 minutes left.
No, 6 minutes is enough for your problem statement. Please explain. After
Right, sir.
that,
Yes, sir.
yeah.
So we are working with Telangana Command Control Police, and they gave us 2 statements, problem statements. The first
Yeah.
one is that we have from 1 p.m. in the afternoon to 4 p.m. trucks are not allowed to roam in the city, sir.
Okay. Okay.
So we want to detect using timestamp. We wanted to detect trucks, and if
Okay.
the trucks are detected in that specific time, automatically we want to generate a challan by using a. For now, as it's a prototype, we want to use NLP and just record the number plates for now, sir.
Oh, very good application.
Yes, sir.
But Ramesh are given just a title of the project. Based on the
Yes, sir.
title, I
Yes, sir.
have created
Yeah,
my
we
own.
understand.
Yeah, yeah, very good, very good. You have very good objective. And have you collected the data set?
Yes, sir. We are coming to that. And
Yeah.
also, the second statement we have is that we wanted to detect overloaded trucks, sir. And automatically, same like for the prototype purposes, we want to detect the number plates, overloaded trucks.
Perfect. So are you using image processing techniques?
Yes, sir. Previously, we had an idea of how to work with images for using YOLO V8, YOLO V9, such kind of techniques, sir, for segmentation and detection tasks.
Yes, perfect. Then?
Sir, but sir, can you see my screen?
No, no, please share. Can I stop my screen? No, 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 I am
Yes,
not
sir. Yes,
getting.
sir.
Yeah, yeah, please share your screen. Yeah, perfect.
Sir, is my screen visible?
Sorry? Yeah, yeah, your
Is my
screen is
screen?
visible. What is your name?
Sir, Nutan, sir.
Nutan. Perfect explanation, Nana. Keep it up. Please explain. Yeah,
Yes, sir. Sir, the problem we are now facing is that
yeah.
how to differentiate between a normal truck and an overloaded truck in terms of annotation, sir.
Yes.
Because while after training the model, we want to.
Not only annotation, there are various kinds of feature extractions you can incorporate into your algorithm, so that the number of constraints, if you are increasing, then accuracy will be more, you can expect.
Yes,
We
sir.
will
Yes, sir.
see. Yeah.
We don't
Please
want to
explain.
wrongly predict a truck which is not overloaded and into an overloaded detection.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
So these are the some of the example images for overloaded trucks which we got from Telangana police.
Perfect, sir. Perfect. What is the size of the data you got it so far?
In terms of images, we have about 2000 images, sir.
Okay, very good, very
Yes.
good. Then, and
And
any
sir,
text?
for the problem is that it's a
Yeah.
camera clicked images, so the number plates are also not that greatly visible, sir. So we want to tackle this problem.
Yeah, sure. We will do it. Very good questions. We will do it. And any other further enhancements you have done on your part, please explain. Because I am
Sir,
understanding right now. Because I don't know the objective of your project. Yesterday, Ramesh sir has given the AI for police, smart policing. That's all. Title of the project he has given. I understood. I have created my own data set. I am going to explain after your explanation. Okay.
yes.
Next, tell me.
So these are the two problem statements Group 1 is working on, sir.
Yeah,
That's
perfect, Nana. Can you share your problem statement with the objective so that I can
Yes, sir.
implement
I
my
will
side
share
and
a detailed document, sir, so that you will have
yeah,
a better idea.
sure. We will do it. Nutan, very good explanation. Next project.
Thank you, sir.
I will be explaining, sir.
Yeah, sure.
2 minutes, sir.
Yeah, please share your screen
Yes,
and
sir.
explain. Yeah.
Sir, until then, shall I um, send another meeting link?
Okay, no problem. You can send.
Yes.